It's me, Renner. I will be showing you my leatherman repair. As you can see here, leatherman repair. Okay, so it's a good knife. They take all of the things out. I've used it. So this is all the thing on this side. This is screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and this is a knife that comes razor sharp out of the box. This is like a little screwdriver, and I don't know what that thing is. But this is if you wanna, how do you say it? Take iron, and here we got as you can see here, and wire cutters, and here we got a bread knife. It's the best bread knife that I've ever used in my life. And we also got a saw and a screwdriver, as you can see here. It's plus screwdriver, and we got a can opener here, and it's a really good knife, I would say that. And this is in a lock, and it's like, you have to push on the safety button and close it. The saw, it's just fantastic, and the bread knife and the can opener, everything on this knife is good. I would rate this knife 4.5 star. Yes, that's what I would rate it. You see here, leatherman. Yeah, just thanks for watching, and just bye. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe.